Okay, what we want to do here is to get a bird's eye view or helicopter view of creating a Flash movie in the Flash CS4 IDE from the start of creating the document and then publishing it and seeing it in a web browser. Our goal here is not to learn Flash, it's just get the overall process that we have to repeat each time we want to create a Flash movie. So we're starting off here in Flash CS4 Professional. I'm going to choose File, New. So I'm creating a new Flash document. Choose OK. We'll choose the first choice, which says ActionScript 3, which was chosen. And it's a good idea to save your files right away and give them a name. So I'll save this, and the name I'm going to give it is EX01, just to stand for Exercise 1. Then what I'm going to do, this white area is our stage. This is the part that people will see when the Flash movie is playing. Come over here to our toolbar. I'm going to select the text tool. I'll go with the defaults, and I'll click somewhere on the stage, and I'll type in hello world with an exclamation mark. And to get out of the typing mode, I'll go over to the toolbars and choose the selection tool, and then I'll be able to drag this around wherever I like on the stage. We'll add one more thing. We'll put a shape in here. Over here on the toolbar, there's some shapes. There's a rectangle shape and an oval shape. We'll choose the oval tool. One of the properties is a background color or a fill color. We'll choose red for that. And somewhere on either side of the word hello world, I'll hold the shift key down and draw a small red circle. And maybe I'll do that again. Alright, again, go back to the selection tool, and then I can select these circles and I can move them if I like. And there's many more things we can do with a Flash movie, including circles and shapes and lines, and import bitmap graphics and add video and then animate them and create user interfaces. So these are all the things we will do in the process of creating the Flash movie. Once we're done with that, or as we're doing it, we will want to save it as we go and then publish it. We can publish it by simply choosing File, Publish, and it will create the files that we have chosen under File, Publish, Settings. Take a quick look at that. Under File, Publish, Settings, we're going to create a Flash movie and an HTML document that a web browser can use to open it. We can choose Publish here if we like. Generally we'll be choosing Flash File Publish or the shortcut Shift F12, and then the files are created on a hard drive. If we want, we can shortcut opening up the web browser and loading the movie by choosing File Publish Preview, and this will also launch the HTML document in the movie for us, and I'll do that. And I'll bring that web browser over here. It's in another window, and there's our Flash movie running inside of our web browser. Right mouse clicking over it, we can see this is an Adobe Flash Player 10 publishing, and that was one of the publish setting choices that we could make, and we're all set. We have created our first Flash movie. What exactly happened? We do File Open here. We can sort of see that two files were created on our hard drive. An FLA, that's the actual Flash document, and this SWF is the movie that's actually playing in the web browser. Okay. In addition to that, there's an HTML document, but this window filters it out. Maybe we can see it down here. We'll just show all files, and there we can see the HTML document as well. So these two files were generated when we chose Publish, and they keep getting regenerated over and over. Alright, so we'll cancel on that. So that's basically the bird's eye or helicopter view of creating a Flash movie.